Hey, what's up guys, this is Averroes here and welcome back to my channel. Before we discover UiTM Shah Alam Law School, this is the Shah Alam State Mosque and there's this yellow carpet where the Sultan will be walking throughout the whole expanse. And I've got to say, this mosque is really beautiful and really embellished with all of these white marbles and blue tiles. It's so beautiful with all the decorations and adornments. You guys should probably come here if you guys have the time during Friday prayers and the Tarawih prayers as well, or any time that you guys feel like you want to pray here. So hey guys, it looks like we are finally here in law faculty. My intention is that I want to promote my faculty. I want to promote the Shah Alam Mosque. I don't have any other ill will or malicious intent or any defamatory imputations towards these two places. I'm really proud of these places. I'm really excited to see my faculty for after 2 years for not seeing it for a very long time. So we're gonna go in there, check out the facilities, check out the entire building, and yeah, just explore and travel. Let's go guys, let's go. So here it is, this is the faculty. These are the steps. I know it's like kind of like Batu Caves steps. It's really high, it's steep, but it's not as beautiful as the ones in Batu Cave. The Batu Cave's stairs are colorful, but apparently not. But yeah, it still looks great. Very imposing. There are more steps over there, as you can see. And it looks like we have some sort of mysterious structure here. It reminds me of something. If we keep walking, this is the main facade. Once you enter the area or premise, if you will. Here is usually where the students take their photos. A wall of succulent, or is it called vines? I don't know, vegetation, adorning the whole wall with the bushes here. Yeah, a lot of students like to take their pictures here because of this, maybe perhaps aesthetic value to it. I don't know. It looks kind of cool. There are more succulents on the walls here, all the way there. We'll check out these individual buildings soon. Alright. There are 3 or 4, I think there are 4 actual buildings here in the faculty. So yeah, let's go. Since I'm the only one here, it feels kind of very tranquil. It feels very peaceful, pacifying. There's more succulent at my back. There's the tiled rocky walls. Yeah, it's been 2 years. I can't believe 2 years and it looks like this. I imagine my life, how it would have been, and other students who've been studying online will have been if they were to remain here in the faculty instead of studying online. It will have been more memorable. The experience it's immersive, and I can't believe it. Everything, all the 2 years vanished within a blink of a second. Hey, check it out! They even renovated. They repaired the signboard. In the past, it looks kind of faded, but now I'm really proud of it. It's the tone, the texture of the billboard has improved since the last 2 years I've been here. So yeah, at least that's changed. Here are all the staffs. That's the dean up there, Hartini Saripan, and we also have other lecturers here. Try to guess and spot the lecturers that you guys know. In the next 5 years, 10 years maybe, this is something that we can reminisce together. So this is the faculty, that's the billboard. And I'm trying to remember the moments that I'm sitting at these pair of stairs while Sir Nazim, I call this stairs Sir Nazim stairs, because Sir Nazim, he will usually sit up there and we have to present our presentation down here. So usually students do their presentation in class with the air conditioning, right? But we have to do it in this open field right under the scorching sun. Can you guys believe it? So yeah, that's one of the best memories I had. It's something surreal, it's something unpredictable and outside the thinking box. So kudos to Sir Nazim, he's a really great lecturer. You guys, that was insane. I just met Sir Erwin just now. He's my mooting coach. and he was making fun out of me. I don't know. He always has this sort of view that I look like a person that is a marriageable person, you know, a schema boy or something. I think it's a good compliment. And yeah, even this place looks like a place where you can take a marriage photography place. This is one of the buildings where all the classes are conducted in these rooms. Yeah, there's up to 4 levels. And fun fact, this place wasn't a faculty, it was a college. So students actually lived here, they accommodated here. And my guess is that there's this hole here, and this is where people, there's a pole and people sidai their baju, they hang their clothes over here. So that's the reason why it looks like a college instead of faculty. The only problem right now is that the gate is locked, so I can't show you guys what's inside the classroom. But that's okay, I can show you guys all the parts of the building and the faculty. See guys, there's even a moot court available, and a computer lab, but I don't know. The only time I went inside was during the MPP elections, so that was a very long time ago. So hey guys, I managed to get into one of the classes. There was one senior here who was, you know, good enough to allow me in. Yeah, so this is how the classes look like in the faculty. So you can see all the tables, chairs here, and the computer, and the projector. So this is the facilities here in the faculty. Can get a glimpse out the window. Last time I remember the tables, I can't remember if the tables were made like this or not, or they were individual tables, but I think they were long tables. So, yeah. Okay, so here's the frontal view. 360. Alright, we have extra chairs at the back. Pretty nice. Oh my god guys, I think I found the moot court. The moot court is here. And whoa dude, they reworked everything from the floor. I don't know if any students use this place anymore. No, the common room is that people will usually the moot court down below, the one that looks pristine white. But I don't know anything about this. It looks like a real court for a criminal case or something, where the witness or something will give their sworn evidence. I don't know, at the dock, and then the judges will sit here, and all the witnesses. I mean, not the witnesses, but people attending the court trial proceeding. They even got a TV there, a television. I don't know what's the tape for. And I think this is where the accused, I mean the cross-examination, all those things happen here. The re-examination, the examination in chief. That's what people call it that way. So yeah, the entire courtroom. Oh, I almost forgot to show you guys this part of the faculty. There's a lot of gazebos, and students will sit here, eat their lunch, and do their assignments or quizzes or any tutorials here before entering class. So it's kind of a little bit breezy. You can even charge your laptop. There are plugs on the pillars. These are the gazebos. Not to mention, in the past, you guys can buy food from this grab and go. The Law Entrepreneurship Club did this initiative. So they will put sandwiches, cakes inside, and all you have to do is put in your money and take whatever you want from the slots. Or the drawers, I don't know, steel drawer. But it looks really, really nifty. Sometimes students will also sit here, have a drink. There used to be a vending machine here, but it's disappeared. And the middle part has been renovated. Unlike the other block, it's all pure grass. And look at that. This is the court I was talking about. It's called the moot court. It's white in color, pristine white. And I think I know the reason why they didn't do, I mean, You know, some of my colleagues and some of my seniors did their mooting here, but it's all online, I assume. I've never been inside here, even though I'm a mooter, but I've never been inside this place before. Jadi sayang ah, tak pernah masuk. For your information, there is a kedai photostat. So whenever you come here, you forgot to bring your stationaries, your books, you can buy anything instantly here or get stuff printed here. Yeah, you have to come from this direction and then you'll instantly meet with this venue or place. Okay, we are at the last building that I want to show you guys of the faculty. It looks a little bit unique. The moment of truth. Another place on our list is Pejabat Hal Ehwal Academic. Okay, so this place is where students, if they have problems with course registration or any matters incidental to student problems, then this will be a place. This is the first place I came to register my first semester, to get myself registered as a law student here. So if anything, just come here and all your issues may be solved here. You know what's interesting about this faculty? There's this one huge tree in the middle of this block. It's really tall. Like, whoa, dude. Look how strong this tree is. Okay. So here marks Averroes. So Averroes was here. Just kidding. This place is very iconic. I'm whispering because I'm afraid people will hear me. Faculty of Law. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There are more rooms for classes. There and there. Look, I'm wearing slippers. Nobody's gonna see me. For your information, this bullet seminar here is where I did my interview. I remember I did my interview over here. I was doing my interview. There were 4 people, and the lecturers was questioning me if I'm eligible to enter this law school. This place is so memorable. I did my interview here. It's awesome. I also remember this hall. This is where is it locked? Oops. This is where I did my audition for. It's really dark, but this is where I did my audition for Harvardman in Tokyo, but it got suspended or something because of COVID. Okay, we're at the final end of this hallway, and as you can see there's the cafeteria. I can't open the door because I'm afraid I might be, breaching in. Okay, there's another room. These doors, they make me confused. At least we can see a bare picture of this room because the light is coming from that direction. Did somebody turn off the mic? There's some sort of sound here. So this is a class. Okay, there's a launch to here. Damn. I did my MUN training here as well. There's another lounge. I think only lecturers can use this place. Oh, I thought someone was here. Thank goodness. One more shot. Okay, done. Let's go. Here we are. We are at another part of the faculty, and this building, it's painted. It looks brand new because everything is repainted. And usually this building is where all the Part 7, Part 8 students study at. So they will be studying in firms. It's really been a day. I'm sweating right now. But hey, look at this. I'm at the other part of the faculty where the seniors usually go. Unfortunately, we can't enter the auditorium, but we have the main library right here for law students. So we're going to go inside and get relieved with the air conditioning. You guys, I'm at the library. So this is all of the computers. Computers, man. This is insane. I'm going to take you guys upstairs and show you all the books. Come on, let's go. So there you guys have it. Welcome to UiTM Shah Alam Law School. If you are thinking of applying and pursuing studies here, please do come by. You're going to have a great and fantastic time here. I guarantee you. If anything, please do let me know if you want, advice, or you want to have a discussion or talk with me. I'm open for anything. I'm an approachable guy. What can I say? So yeah, here's the law school in Shah Alam. I'll give you guys another 360 view of the faculty. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Till then, I hope to see you guys more in the upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and the support that you guys have given me to continuously expand my channel. And till then, thank you guys. See you again.